Hello crochet friends and welcome back. We're working on our teddy bear, we're on his head. We finished last time working on a bulk section of 11 through 18. So hopefully you have that all set and ready to go. Let's move up our marker and we're going to start with 19 now. Now we're going to start decreasing, okay? So we're going to get ready to get going to be making the other side of the head so we get more of a circle kind of look to it, right? Okay, so let's get going with 19. We're going to do 7 single crochets. So we'll enter our first stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. That's 1. These are going to be all single crochets still. This is 2. All right, just like we've been doing. 3. Lost a little strand. There we go. And 4, 5, 6, and we'll be repeating this also, and 7. Okay, there's 7 single crochets. All right, now we want to decrease. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in the front loop of our first stitch, yarn over and pull through, go in the front loop of our next stitch, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through all 3 of those on your hook. All right, and now we're down to the 1 stitch and we repeat again. We're going to do this a total of 6 times. We're back to the 6 times thing. So we want 7 single crochets. There's 1. It's going to be a little pull, okay? And 2, 3. Just keep count. 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, here's 7. Now we decrease again, okay? So front loop. There we go. Yarn over and pull through. Front loop of the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through all 3. All right. Okay, excellent. And then we begin again with our repeat, okay? So 7 single crochets and then a decrease, okay? So just keep going along with this, repeating it until you get to your marker, and we will have 48 stitches. All right, here we go. Okay, I'm getting toward the end here. This is my last decrease. All right, right before my marker there. All right, I'm going to pull up my marker. That's the end of 19. We have 48 stitches on our work, okay? Whew, we're doing great. Let's go on to 20. 20 is very similar. We're going to single crochet just the first 6 stitches, and then we'll decrease. So there's 1. Again, all single crochets, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you doing okay with the decreases? I hope so. 6. Just remember that you're going to do front loop, yarn over and pull through, and then front loop, yarn over and pull through, and then pull through everybody, okay? I know it's still single crochet, but you are pulling through 3 pieces there, right? And then we repeat again, 6 single crochets. Here's 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, okay? And then a decrease. All right, there's 6. Front loop, yarn over and pull through, front loop, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3. Okay, keep going with that same pattern. We'll have 42 stitches by the time we are done here, okay? And we'll meet up at the marker with 42 stitches. Here we go. Okay, this is my last decrease, around 20. Alrighty, I'm going to pull up my marker, and we should have 42 stitches on our work, 42 there. Now round 21, we're going to do 5 single crochets and then a decrease. All right, we are really moving along here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There's 5, and then do a decrease, okay? So front loop, yarn over and pull through, front loop with the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3. Okay, when we are done with this round, we're gonna have 36 stitches on our work. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, okay, and then a decrease. So front loop, yarn over and pull through, front loop, yarn over and pull through. All right, look at us. Okay, keep going with that. 5 single crochets and then a decrease, and I'll meet you at the marker. Here we go. Okay, this is my decrease here. It goes quicker every time, doesn't it? It's nice. I love it. Okay, move up your marker. I think I might be missing a little strand there. Just let me check that really quick. Yep, look at that. Let's get that whole piece. There we go. Got it. Okay, 21, and that was 36 stitches. Now 22. Let's see. 22 4 single crochets. Aha. All right, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, and then a decrease. And when we're done with this round, what we're going to do is put our little eyes on, okay? So front loop, yarn over and pull through, front loop, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3. And when we're done with this round, we're going to have 30 stitches on our work, okay? So that's 2, 3, and 4, and then decrease, okay? All right, let's do a decrease. Front loop, right? Front loop every time. Just looks a little neater. All right, keep going with that. 4 single crochets and a decrease till you have 30 stitches, and I'll meet you at the marker. Here we go. Okay, this is the end of 22 for me. So I'm gonna pull that through there, and I'm gonna just pull this up just so I don't lose any stitches or anything. I'm gonna take that out for now. Okay, so we're at 22. We wanna place our little eyes between 14 and 15. So not bad, we just count back, right? So this is 22, and there's 22, okay. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14. So between these two here, and we want them to be about 6 apart, 6 stitches apart. So that, I consider this the back of my work, okay? So I'm going to go anywhere between this round here, and just going to place your eyes between 14 and 15, and then just make them 6 stitches apart from each other, which might take a little bit of work to get them in there. So let's see, I got it in that one. 1, 2, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, and take a look at it, see what you think, if you like it. If not, you can take them out and adjust them. But between 14 to 15, between those 2 rounds, and then about 6 stitches apart. And once you get them right, then put your little backings on. If you're going to embroider, you can always wait till the end and do this once you have the head stuffed and everything. But when you're putting the safety eyes, you got to do it before it gets too tight, right? Otherwise you can't get the backings on. So make sure that you like it, make sure you like your positioning, and double check everything, and then put your little eyes on, and we'll meet up next time with round 23. I'll see you then. Thank you, and have a joyful day.